running world. The alarm has gone off. And it is officially day one. Day one of 40-day fast. Oh, I can barely see. All right, I'm going to weigh myself in. I'm going to get my contacts in, brush my teeth, and take these measurements, see where I'm actually at. I'm actually really curious as to where I'm at, because I ate so much food these last 3 days. It was just sickening. Oh, it was really good, actually, but not. It was not healthy. And now I'm gonna have extra fluff to lose or keep me safe. So, all right, let's. Oh my gosh. Make my bed. You always gotta make your bed. Make your bed every morning. Okay. Contacts are in. I can see. I got my book right here from Nepal that I'm going to be using to be able to track, monitor my weight, my measurements. I'm going to be tracking. I got this from Kenny from his fast thing, tracking my BMs, tracking how many times I go to the bathroom, and all the other exciting stuff, just to be able to gauge, monitor just every part of where I'm at, what's happening, losing weight, not, or, well, I mean, I'm going to lose weight. That's a given. But, yeah, seeing how much. So, let's see how much I weigh. I'm going to dirt. I'm doing my boxers, though, so I'm not getting fully naked for you. There it is. 207.8. So that is interesting. I was 202 before the last 3 days. So that means I ate like 5 pounds worth of food. Okay. Monday, April 21st. Day one fast. Weight. 207.8. This is me at 207.8. Sidewise. Yeah, day one. Okay. Man, I don't know if I've ever taken my measurements ever really before. I don't know if this is probably not the most professional way of doing it, but I don't even know if this is necessary because I am not doing it really for the weight aspect of it. But 43. Yeah, 38. Fully popped out. My belly fully popped out. Whopping 38. So, chest. Okay. All right. Measurements are in. I'm heading downstairs to get the morning started, get the morning kicked off. The right way, right squat cardio. I'll be doing. I gotta get my water, but get some lights on. Got my books. Check it out. Oh, it's so nice, beautiful, rainy day. I love it. I love being at the cabin on a rainy day. You can hear the rain fall on the metal roof. Just so peaceful. So that is where I absolutely could not have thought of a better place to do corn cardio. Or I'm going to be doing corn cardio, but a better place to do the fast and to take this challenge on is in the middle of absolute serenity, absolute just peacefulness. So, if you can see, 40-day fast. This is it, day number 1. So for the rules and what I'm going to be up to and what I've kind of mapped out is this is supposed to be a 40-day water fast. However, I am also going to be cutting off social media. I'm going to be cutting off Facebook, Insta, TV, all as many screens as possible. I'm going to cut off except my computer screen. I still got to work, still got to do a bunch of stuff, still be running my groups, still doing all of that. But yeah, being up here, I am taking 40 days. And I know when I do my 3-day fasts, I do coffee, and I still stick with coffee. So we'll see. I don't know. Share in the comments if you feel like coffee is cheating or if I should just do strictly water. But yeah, that's where I'm at. This is what's going to be happening. And this is day 1 of cutting everything off. So I'm just going to have my camera like I had when I was filming the docuseries and all over the world. I'm just going to record, monitor, track, and share with you all this journey. So here we go. It's crazy. To help gauge how much water I'm actually drinking, being up at the cabin. Yeah, this little water machine, and I got the jugs of water all ready to go. Each one of these bad boys is a whopping 4 gallons, 512 full ounces, 15.4 liters. So there it is. Oh, you can see it a little better. I'm going to be drinking Blue Falls purified drinking water. 4 gallons. And let's see how many days it takes to go through 4 gallons of water. We'll find out. Write in the comments, what do you think, how long you think it's going to take? Or how many glasses do I go through in a day? Let's find out. Starting now. Guess what? This is officially going to be glass numero 1. Before I get into corn cardio, I always drink or pound a glass of water or 2. Right, first thing when you wake up. Water is so fundamentally important. So I'm pretty used to already slamming a couple things of water. Man, it is beautiful outside, even with the rain. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. All right, morning routine. I start off by doing Wright's corn cardio. Ooh, I have realized the absolute importance of protecting your core and keeping your core as strong as possible. Yeah, by doing that, I have mitigated so many, like pain, so many other issues, and just being able to move way better with better core. But yeah, let's stretch and get ready. Oh, just move around a little bit. I'm up to 5-minute planks at the moment. The sound of freedom. Up next, scissor kicks. Same. Improvised mountain climbers. Yeah. Roll through. There we go. All right, now we have what's called the dead bugs. Dead bugs. You're gonna flail around on the ground like a little bug, trying not to get squashed. Did it. Didn't get squashed. Bring Sally up squats. Ooh. Bring me up, Sally. Push-ups. Here we go. Core and cardio was a check. Now I'm going to get into my breathing routines. A lot of my breathing and a lot of my techniques, everything was from the Wim Hof fundamentals, going to Poland, training with the Iceman himself. And the 40 days of fasting, I really want to incorporate and imply all the tools, resources, everything I've been learning throughout the year and a half doing the docuseries. And I really want to, continually just make sure I don't lose sight of that, or fall off the grid when it comes to the things I've practiced, been taught, learned, and am doing. So up next, here's our breathing sessions. Yeah. Feels good. Oh yeah. So after breathing, I'm gonna do a quick little meditation and get into that. And then I'm gonna get into my Bible verses, my scriptures, and getting into starting to read more of the Bible. So here we go. So 14 minutes to really be able to just reflect and think and relax. Finding 15 minutes a day to just have that moment to sit still, sit with your thoughts, sit with your intentions. So I like doing the breathing, get my head just, and then I do the meditation. And then from the meditations, I'll start doing the journaling. I got this book in the middle of Nepal, and it is, that right there is Nepal. That right there is where we stayed, Kathmandu. But yeah, so I've been writing that I was learning in Nepal and that I would do with my really good friend George, who was at the monastery with me. And yeah, and then we write out our intentions and our gratitude, what we're grateful for, and what we're planning. All right, so boy, at work workstation all set up in the corner on the table. Trying to get some conferences set up. And it's been a year and a half since I applied to be in a conference, just because we've been filming all over the world. So it's been crazy. And now I come back and all of a sudden everything is just like...
I'm not available to take your call at this time, so please leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.
Hey, La Nina, the girl. All right, I've officially started practicing my Duolingo. And
La mujer.
La mujer.
Yo soy un niño.
Yo soy un niño. El niño, la niña. There we go. Did it. Lesson complete. I got a 94%. I need more practice. Woohoo. Midway through the day, I am only on glass, actually number 5, which is quite shocking. I thought I'd be going through a lot more than that, but I probably will be as the days go on. So yeah, 5th one right here, 5 glasses. Just wrapped up some work, just did some Spanish lessons. I gave myself to the end of the year to learn Spanish. But yeah, so I've been trying the Duolingo, I've been trying the Speakling, I just did Rosetta Stone, their version of everything. So a little at a time, I don't know, trying to pick up what I can. And then, yeah, I'm gonna be trying to learn the guitar and reading the Bible, and then continually working on my own book and being able to write out the own book and continuing to add to the app that we just built out and developed. So a lot of little things coming together here and there, and I'm hoping by cutting out all this other stuff, it's gonna excel some progress and be able to make things a little faster. So we'll see what happens. Maybe by the end of the 40 I'll have my entire book written, so we'll see. But all right, glass number 5 already. Well, it's already coming up on 5 o'clock, so midway through. All right, I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna start reading a little bit. So, all right, it's already about 9, about to be 9:30. So I told myself I was gonna be getting to bed before 10 o'clock each night, because that is the one thing I've been so terrible at, is staying up and not sleeping. And yeah, so part of this fast, I am going to, what I lack in food, I will regain in sleep, and yes, and getting back to healthy nights of sleep. So this concluded, this was day one of the fast. We'll see what time. Yeah, I'm actually really tired as well. So by 5:36, I'll be up and back to round 2. So, all right, we'll see what happens. Good night, y'all.